Job number 20225328-2. We're accessing the drain system by removing a toilet in a half bath or a 3/4 bath in the breezeway end of the house. We are currently at 21 feet. We're going to start the recording here and go forward so we can understand and see the pooling water better than pulling back and having a bit more cloudy water piping or water in the pipe. So 21 foot is the beginning of what we are observing to be pooling water. Pipe material is 4-inch cast iron. As we move forward, we can stay a little bit ahead of the debris as it starts to stir up. And we can see the pipe beginning to be significantly full of water. You can see the water horizon line. It's at least half full, if not 2/3 and beyond full, based on the radius of the pipe. Plowing through a little bit of solids debris here with the camera. Still underwater, starting to emerge back out of the water. Pooling tapering off here. We don't see it because we're underwater, but we did turn at a 45 and now we're turning at another 45. We're pretty much outside of the building. And now we're radiusing around. It's hard to get past here because we're turning already so much, but I think this is where it's turning. It's heading back into the home. So for our purposes, this is all we are going to look at. And then I will take the reverse just to see the entirety of the system as we pull back. But this has definitely allowed us to see the piping that is located within the breezeway space. And as we come back, we can see this particular turn and the pooling water starting to taper back to a deeper depth. So we're underneath with our camera. Water is now a bit more cloudy, so we don't see a whole lot through here. We've got a couple locates on the floor with some tape. As we approach 21 feet, we'll start to emerge back out. We have a little bit of water running in the drains in the system from a bathroom sink, so we can observe these flow characteristics. Tapering back off to right here at this joint, it gets a little bit better. Trickle is what we normally should see in the bottom of the pipe. We do have a lot of heavy scale in this cast iron. You can see some shelving kind of forming on the left-hand side there. '90-degree turn approaching the closet flange. And also right there, it's hard to see it, but there is going to be a Y. It's a Y or a side inlet 90 for the lavatory drain connection, but it's right at the radius of the 90. Camera doesn't really want to see it very well. Also, a concern is a hard mass of kind of caked on debris right here at the bottom of the closet 90. Kind of wants to sit there. It was pretty hard to get the camera in initially, but there's a kind of a firm calcified mass sitting right there. Closet flange is cast iron on a tile floor.